My name is Sean, and I am the owner of Peapie Creations. I am a designer, as far as for craft designer. I have been crafting ever since 2016, and I also sell on Etsy. My Etsy store is Peapie Creations. For today, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a template for an engagement that I'm going to sell on my Etsy store. And if you are wanting to learn how to do that, we will do this together. For a normal invitation, it is 5x7, or it could be a 7x5. The 7x5 is landscape, and a 5x7 is a portrait picture. So I would like to do first for a 5x7. So the first thing that you're wanting to do is you want to go to units and change the units into inches. And then right here, you're going to put 5 for the width and 7 for the height, or you can always just go under announcements. Once you have put the information in, then you're going to want to click first for create. And it's going to take you to this blank screen. Well, blank canvas, I'm sorry. So this right here is your print bleed. This helps if you are creating like a background. Say for instance, let's see, let's say this is a background that you're wanting to do. In between the end right here and where the square stops, all this will be cut off. It will not print. So you want to make sure that everything is in the inside of here. But for today, I'm making a simple invitation, so we don't have to worry about any of that. I do have Canva Pro, and I know that some have said, well, you do not have to have Canva Pro if you wanted to start as far as for selling templates. But as of now, if you go to share, go to see all, you see that there's a crown. So now you do have to pay Canva Pro in order to get a shared template link, which that means that your customer will be buying far as for your product, your download, they will have to have Canva Pro if you have designs added in there first for the elements that have the crown on it. If not, they'll still be able to use it without Canva Pro, but they will not be able to share a template link. So, okay, let's go ahead and get started. So you want to add a text. So you could go here for text, or you could just hit the letter T on your keyboard and the text box will pull up. For me today, I am going to use the add a header, add a heading. And I'm just going to go ahead and just do several. Let's see, this is going to be first for the announcements. This will probably be like some kind of greeting. This probably will be the name. This is the address. And this will be like maybe RSVP. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's see. So we'll say she said yes. I'm gonna put exclamation mark. And this will say come and join us. Come and join us for. And I will stretch it out just a little bit, make it a little bit smaller. And their names are going to be Amy and Alex. And then this is the street. So we'll do 1, 2, 3. Somewhere lane. And then we'll do city, state, zip code. And we'll make this smaller to fit. And then we'll do RSVP. So since I kind of got everything that I wanted on here, what I'm going to do now is go over and we're going to pick fonts. So for She Said Yes, I would like to do Alex Brush because I think that's really pretty. And then I want to have their name the same way. For font pairing, let's try Baskersville display. Yeah, I like how that is. We'll put the rest of these like this. Okay. What I want to do now is I want to highlight all. I can go to positions and tidy up. And what it does is it actually makes everything kind of align. But I like mine almost like in the center. Yeah, line it up in the center like so. And this is a simple, just a simple, easy invitation that you can create to sell. If you want to add in any designs, we could go to, let's say, wedding rings. Take the caps off. Um, if you're selling to someone and they do not have Canva Pro, it would be best not to use any Canva elements because they will have to have Canva Pro to be able to see it. If not, it's going to be watermarked. So I go to free and then I want to see all like this. So I'm going to add this here. And right here, this is a really nice, subtle invitation that you can sell to someone and they could add in, say if they want to add in a picture for us for the background, they could do that. Or if you wanted to go just a little bit farther, let's see. We can add another image. The one I want is going to be this one right here. And we're going to flip them and we're going to take down the transparency so it'll be easy to read. And as you can tell, just by adding in just a couple of things, it makes it even better. So This is how you can create a simple and easy invitation. Um, I will probably have this up on my Etsy store. If you would like to purchase this, you can. And this right here, even if you don't have Canva Pro, you still will be able to use any of the stuff that I have on here. First, with this link. The only thing that the it may not have is going to be this line, which if you are finished and you don't want the line on here, all you have to do is go to File, go to Settings, and where it says Show Print Bleed, take it off, and then this is how it's going to look. Well, I just would like to thank you for watching. This was a quick tutorial. If you would like to see more, I definitely will be able to make some more. Just leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe. You can also follow me on Peapod Creations on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. I just would like to thank you for watching, and I hope that you have a great day.